Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Substitution.
What does the dictionary say?
The replacement of a term of an equation by another that is known to have the same value in order to simplify the equation.
Math rap.
A popular term used in algebra, putting number values where the letters are. If x minus 4 can equal 1, substitute x with 5 and the equation's done.
Math rap.
Explain substitution in your own words. If you could substitute your teacher for one day, what superhero would you want to teach you math? Explain your superhero choice. What sports allow for the most substitutions in a game? The least? If you could substitute mustard for any other condiment, what condiment would it be? Let's say you're eating cereal. I mean a hot dog. If you could substitute an actor in a leading role of a major film, what film and what actor would you choose to replace the current one? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!